Open up your browser, search for Python download. Click on the result which is from the official website, which is www.python.org. Now click on the download button. Hopefully the downloading will start. Now open the downloaded Python installer. Make sure to check the box which says add Python to path. By adding Python to path, the Python executable will be accessible by a shortcut which will be Python from your terminal. If you do not add Python to your path, that means every time you want to use the Python executable, you have to specify the full path of it. So if you are just starting out, make sure you check that box. Then click on Install Now. The installation has been done and the setup was successful. Now close everything, and to check the Python installation, open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type python space -- version and hit enter. If this shows something like that, it means Python is correctly installed and also it has been added to your path. Now to open up the Python console, you can write Python and it will open the Python console. Here you can write any valid mathematical expression to check it. If you want to get out of the Python console, you can press Ctrl Z and then hit enter. It will take you out of the Python console. If you are on a Linux distribution, chances are that Python is already installed, especially if you are on a Debian based distribution like Ubuntu. So to check the Python installation, open up your terminal. You can either press Ctrl Alt T or you can search for terminal in your all apps. In Ubuntu, if you want to use the Python 3x, then you have to write Python 3 instead of just Python. So in order to check the Python version, you write Python 3 space -- version and hit enter. This will show you the version of your Python 3. To enter the console, you write Python 3 and hit enter. Now to exit out of the console, you can call the exit function or you can press Ctrl D. That's it for this video. Hopefully in the next video we will talk about how to use Python, what to do with Python and all sort of other things. And there are a lot of big things on the way, so make sure you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. You can show your support by liking this video. And also do share this video with your friends or anyone who is interested in programming. And that's it. I will join you in the next video. Thank you.